Hello and welcome. My name is Joan, and thanks for stopping by today to Mountaintop Musings. Let's see what we can do. I had this idea to share a mudra and a mantra that I've been just finding really, really helpful. I've meditated for a long time, and what I've noticed is with times are pretty chaotic, and it's hard for me to remain peaceful more than moments in my day. And so I've done a lot of, experimenting like we have different things that we rely upon, but in the moment, do we have something that we can rely on that it's going to drop us into that place or that point of peace where we feel safe and calm, and we can rest and feel restored. And I've been working with a mantra for this last year, and I thought, why not share it? So this is for friends who might find this appealing. So here we go. And I'm going to guide you through each piece of it, and then we'll put it all together. The practice itself might take 2 to 3 minutes, so this won't be a long video, I promise. So, mudras. Mudras really, what did I write down? Simple gestures that help balance the positive and negative energy in the body. It's using our fingers. So mudra, we're going to use our fingers or our hands. Mantra, we're going to do some speaking, and then we're going to use repetition, and we're going to repeat something over and over, which brings the meditative quality to it. So here we go. Here is how it goes. Take one hand, and I'm going to refer to the thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger or the pinky. Now, take your thumb and your index finger together, middle finger and thumb, ring finger and thumb, little finger and thumb. So we're constantly having different fingers in a particular order touch the thumb. So both hands together touch index finger and thumb, middle finger and thumb, ring finger and thumb, little finger and thumb. And that's a pattern we're going to repeat. So that takes care of the mudra part. Now the mantra is 4 words, 1 word per finger. Peace begins with me. And just try that on, repeat that one. Peace begins with me. So if you're somewhere where you can sit down, I mean, you can do this when you're walking. You might be finding that you listen to, YouTube when you're walking. It could be when you're seated. It could be if you're working at a call center, you listen to it between client calls. You have lots of different options. But let's put it together. But before we do, here was a poetry piece I just wanted to bring in. Peace is an invitation in daily life to breathe deep right here in the uncertainty. And that was by Morgan Harper Nichols. So if you want, and you're in a place where you can do this, just maybe close your eyes for a moment and rub your palms together. So just by doing this, we're starting to tune inward just a little bit. And then pause. And just that simple act of rubbing your palms together brings the left and right hemispheres of the brain into more harmony, more wholeness. Just notice how that feels. And maybe on a 1 to 10, notice how peaceful am I feeling right now? And then at the end of this practice, check in again and let's see what changes for you, what you notice. So both hands, get your fingers all ready to go. So it's going to be like this. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. Once more. Peace begins with me. Now that's all there is to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat this out loud. Then we're going to whisper it. Then we're going to say it to ourselves quietly. I'll guide you through the whole piece. So ready? Here we go. And if you want, you can close your eyes, whatever feels good to you. Here we go. Peace begins with me. Again, peace begins with me. Once more, peace begins with me. Beautiful. Now we'll whisper it. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. Last time. Peace begins with me. Now silently to yourself. Last time. And just close your eyes. Maybe bring your hands together for a moment. Just close your eyes. And take a nice deep breath out. Nice deep breath in. And just notice how you feel. It's just a simple practice of using your hands and your voice. And that also engages your hearing. So you're strengthening your senses. You're bringing yourselves more present, more centered, more connected. You're nurturing mind and body, restoring balance. So anytime when you're not feeling really peaceful and you wish you did, now you have a tool that you can rely upon anytime. So have a beautiful rest of your day. Take good care and thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.